So if your eczema is driving you crazy and you're tired of putting on these greasy creams that feel like they're made out of petroleum jelly, watch this video because I am going to show you how to make this amazing oil that will calm down your eczema almost instantly. Hi, welcome to my channel. I have had eczema for 32 years and in this video we are diving into the best herbal oil for soothing eczema. And just so that you know, I am not recommending that you stop using your current treatment plan just because something worked for me might not work for you. So always discuss your treatment plan with your dermatologist or your doctor. The first step to making this oil is finding the right herbs. I have done a lot of research on herbs that can soothe eczema and I found two really good ones. The first one is calendula. Calendula is well known for its anti-inflammatory properties and it's perfect for sensitive skin. This herb has been used for centuries to treat all sorts of skin conditions including eczema, psoriasis, acne, and rosacea when applied topically. It helps reduce redness and irritation caused by eczema flare-ups and it also boosts the skin's natural repair process. Now you can find calendula into different ways. You can either buy the plant itself and then infuse it in oil, or you can purchase the pre-infused oil already prepared. This option is very convenient because you don't need to spend time making the infusion yourself. Plus, it's usually higher quality and stronger than what you can do at home. The brand I use is called Boiron and it's easily available on Amazon. But keep in mind there are many other brands out there too. The second herb is called plantain. This herb is often overlooked, but it's a powerful anti-inflammatory agent that can help calm down even the most stubborn eczema flare-ups. It works by reducing histamine levels, which are often elevated during an allergic reaction. This herb can be a bit tricky to find though. You can certainly grow it yourself, but it's pretty easy to spot in your neighborhood as well. Just look for broad leaves growing in clusters near the ground and you've got yourself some plantain. Once you have it, you can either make an oil infusion or purchase a pre-infused oil just like we did with the calendula. A brand that carries it is Herb Farm. They have great quality products and their plantain leaf tincture is awesome. Again, you can find them on Amazon or at your local health food store. Now that we have our two stars of the show, let's talk about the oil that we're going to use as the base. I recommend using extra virgin olive oil for this recipe because it has a low comedogenic rating. Comedogenic means that it can clog pores and lead to breakouts. So you want to avoid using coconut or grapeseed oil. Extra virgin olive oil is also packed with antioxidants and fatty acids which can help nourish and moisturize your skin without causing irritation. Alright, let's get started. Add 1 cup of extra virgin olive oil to a bowl that can be placed over a double boiler. Next, add half an ounce of the calendula flowers and half an ounce of the plantain leaf. If you have the pre-infused oils, you would just add 2 tablespoons of each. Then place the bowl over the double boiler and heat the mixture on low heat for about 45 minutes. You want to make sure that you don't let the water boil, so keep it on low. Stir the mixture occasionally to make sure that it's evenly heating up. Once the 45 minutes are up, turn off the heat and let the mixture cool down completely. This part is important because you want to let the herbs infuse into the oil. So once it's cool, cover the bowl and let it sit for about 2 days. Make sure you stir it once a day so that the herbs continue to infuse their goodness into the oil. After 2 days, strain the oil to remove the plant material. You can use a cheesecloth to make sure that no small bits make it into the final product. And now your super soothing eczema oil is ready for use. Now let's talk about how to apply this oil for maximum benefit. Start by washing your hands thoroughly. Then take a few drops of the oil and massage it into your affected areas. You can use it up to 3 times a day, but start with once a day and see how your skin reacts. You may want to do a patch test first before putting it on your entire affected area, just to make sure you don't have any allergies or reactions to the oil. Also, it's crucial to identify and avoid your triggers to prevent eczema flare-ups. So if you're not sure what your triggers are, I've linked a video in the description below that will help you find them. And remember, consistency is key. Give it at least 4 weeks of consistent use to see the full benefits of this oil. It may not work instantly for everyone and some people experience results after a couple of days. Everyone is different, so just keep that in mind. But wait, there's more. I have a bonus tip for you guys. If you want to level up your eczema game even further, try adding a few drops of lavender essential oil to your herbal oil. Lavender essential oil is another powerful anti-inflammatory agent that can help soothe and calm irritated skin. Plus, it has a nice relaxing scent that can help you de-stress and promote better sleep. Just be careful when using essential oils because they can be strong and cause irritation or allergic reactions. Always do a patch test before applying it to a larger area. And remember that not all essential oils are created equal. Look for pure, high-quality essential oils that are free of synthetic additives and fillers. And that's it. By following these simple steps, you can create a personalized herbal oil that's tailored to your specific needs and preferences. This oil can be a great addition to your existing eczema treatment plan and may help you achieve clearer, healthier skin. So why not give it a try and see for yourself? You have nothing to lose and everything to gain. Before we wrap things up, I want to remind you that you're awesome. I know dealing with eczema can be frustrating and tough, but don't give up on yourself. You're stronger than this. And I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please hit that thumbs up button and share it with your friends. And if you haven't already, please subscribe and become part of our Eczema Warrior community. Remember, you're not alone in this fight. We're all in this together. And I'll see you in the next video.